case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1989, the United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit heard the case Empro Manufacturing Company v. Ball-Co Manufacturing, Inc., which centered around the enforceability of a preliminary agreement containing Subject to language. Empro Manufacturing and Ball-Co Manufacturing were in negotiations for the sale of Ball-Co's assets when Empro sent a letter of intent proposing the purchase, subject to certain conditions, and the execution of a definitive asset purchase agreement. However, the deal fell through due to disagreements over the security for a promissory note. Empro filed a lawsuit claiming the letter of intent obligated Ball-Co to sell only to Empro, but the district court dismissed the complaint. The case then went to the United States Court of Appeals, Seventh Circuit, to determine the legal force of the letter of intent based on the language used and the parties' objective intent. The court affirmed the lower court's decision, stating that the letter of intent did not bind the parties until a definitive asset purchase agreement was executed. As a result, Empro could not recover reliance expenditures due to their pre-contractual nature, and the letter of intent served only as a starting point in negotiations.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.